In this video, let us design this model. To start with the modeling part of this figure, very first thing I'll go for setting of limits, where lower limit giving as 0, 0 and upper limit I like to go with 150, 150. Now I'm going to draw the outer line of the front view, so I'll go for front view. I'll take a rectangle of 80 and the total height, which is just nothing but 30 plus 15. So I'll go and take a rectangle at the rate 80, 45. Selecting the rectangle, go for explore. Taking offset of 15. Offset 15. Now again going with an offset of 14 on either sides, as the total distance from here to here is 52. 52 minus 80 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So going with the offset of 14 either sides. Now taking a line tool, joining the lines on two endpoints. Go with trim option and trim out the unwanted part of the lines. Select the inner lines and erase. Go for draw, create a region. Now changing your view to southwest. Going with extrude option, extrude, giving a distance of 60. Now I'll be taking a box where the length of the box been taken as 80, height as 15 and depth as 9. Box, right click, go for length, see that auto is on, moving towards the side to distance of 80, height 15, depth 9. Select this box, go for move, select the midpoint, place it at this particular midpoint. Select the box again, go for copy, select this midpoint and place it at this particular midpoint. Go for subtraction, selecting the first object, then selecting these two objects, so that you'll have this particular shape on the model. Now I'm going to take a box where the depth of the box is being taken as 100, as this distance is 10, 80 and that side 10, height 28 and the length as 30. So taking box again, click, right click, go for length, ortho should be on, 28 as in height, this way 100, moving to the distance of 30. Selecting the box, go for move, pick it from the midpoint, place it exactly at the midpoint, select, go for move, see that ortho is on, select the object, moving out to distance of 10. Go for union, select both the objects so that it will become one. Now taking a cylinder, now cylinder facing is top, that means your Z coordinate should face towards top, and the dia of this cylinder is 30, height is also 30. Changing your Z coordinate to top, taking a cylinder, right click, go for dot 30, height 30. It says there is a box that has to subtract from either sides, where the height of the box is 10, length will be 30 as the dia is 30 and depth is 5. Go for box, click, right click, go for length, see that ortho is on, first thing depth 5, making this with 30, height 10. Select the box, go for move, pick from this midpoint, place it at this midpoint. Selecting the object, go for copy. After taking copy, select both the boxes, move any point, moving it down to distance of 10. Distance of 10. Now go for subtraction. Select the center, right click and subtract the two boxes. Now in reference, you are going to take a line from this midpoint to this midpoint. Go for cylinder, go for move. Now very close to your end point there is a center point, so you have to select the center point, not the end point. Select the center point, go and place it exactly at the midpoint. Change your view to top to see whether it is exactly in the center. Perfect. You can go and see in front view also whether it's on the same level. Going back to southwest. Now taking a box of height 20, width 40, depth 60, box, click, right click, go for length, this way 40, giving height of 20, depth of 60. Select the box, go for move, picking up from the midpoint, placing at this particular midpoint. Go for subtraction, select the major entity and then the minor. Select the reference line that you have taken, erase. Go with union, select the entire object, right click so it will become one. Change your visual style to conceptual to see the model.